And now we are going to move for the evaluation session of table topic. May I call upon youth leader Anna Jacob for the table topic evaluation.
Respected Toastmasters and fellow youth leaders and guests, good evening.
Good evening.
The first speaker was youth leader Mudita Ishwar. You started off well by asking a question and that grabbed the attention of the audience. You had quite a good sprinkling of humor that was effective as it was evident in the audience. You concluded well by summarizing all the points. Coming to the recommendations, you could have elaborated more on the topic. You were clear about your opinion, but you could have elaborated more. At times, you went a bit fast and you weren't clear to the audience. You could have slowed down, only at times. The second speaker was Vishal Urs. You were confident and started off very well. You connected to the subject and did not deviate the topic. Coming to the recommendations, you could have been more relaxed when you come to speak. Take a deep breath and give some time for some thought so that you could speak with a flow. You could have used more relevant examples while saying a speech. The third speaker was youth leader Richa Elizabeth Santosh. You were quite eloquent and had a good diction. You were very loud and clear. Your voice was very loud and clear. And the recommendation is that you could have listened more carefully to the topic. As the starting itself, you were fumbling with, you were confused what the topic was. You could have listened more carefully to the topic. The fourth speaker was youth leader Kausalya Jayaraj. You connected very well with the topic and you were clear about your opinion. You used a very good example that related to your topic. The recommendations are, you could have arranged your thoughts in a more better manner. You could have constructed your speech in a better manner by giving a better, introduction, body, and conclusion. That could have enhanced your speech. In general, all the table topic speakers did a great job, and a general recommendation is that when you come to the stage and get your topic, take some time to give a thought about it. Gather your thoughts so that you can speak with a flow. Over to you, General.